April 23rd, இன்னைக்கு voting நாள் அன்னைக்கு. I'm very happy to say, I'm just ringing to say, number one, just finished my vote. Number two, to say I'm very happy with everything. The organization at Sholinganallur, Ukkiyam Thoraipakkam, excellent. The polling officers, the booth people were all very organized. Sholinganallur is one of the biggest constituencies in Tamil Nadu. Still, except one booth machine, all the machines worked. There was no forcing, there was no pushing. The police were very good. The government and the ECI, they have kept water, oral rehydration solution for old people. I was happy to see கை குழந்தையோட இவ்வளோ பேர் வந்திருந்தாங்க, வீல் சேரில் வந்திருந்தாங்க, கால் உடஞ்சி பிளாஸ்டரில் போட்டு வந்திருந்தாங்க. ஒருத்தர் என்னோட என் பூத்தில் இருந்தவர், he was taking a flight at 11 o'clock. He voted at 9:45 and rushed to the airport to go to, I think, to go to Hyderabad or Bombay or someplace. Overall, the turnout was fantastic. It was very disciplined. I'm very happy to see a disciplined India. I'm very happy to see a democratic India. What is important is whoever wins, could be DMK, could be ADMK and BJP, it could be Vijay, it could be anyone. Important thing is when 80% or 90% of people vote, which I think will happen, democracy will win. And this is a first start for a very, very bright future. Final thing I want to say is I saw youth, a lot of youth. I saw a lot of old people. I saw people from multiple languages, multiple ethnicities coming in there. கடைசியாக in Thoraipakkam, Sholinganallur, there were 18 independent candidates and 10 regular party candidates. More and more independents are coming out and saying, let me stand, let me try my best. விவசாயி ஜெயராமன், engineer முத்துராமன், or Abdul Kani, இவங்கெல்லாம் people are just coming and deciding to stand. I want இது மாதிரி சுயேட்சையாக நின்று ஒரு சில votes-உம் எடுத்து ஒரு வித்தியாசம் பண்ணதான் டெமோக்ரஸி தலை தூக்கி நிற்கும். I think this election is primarily a victory for democracy in India. Jai Hind. வாழ்க தமிழ், வாழ்க இந்தியா.